Hello traders, welcome to another gold analysis video. In last prediction video, our view for gold was bearish, and from the today's trading session we can say that gold followed the same prediction and break out the important support level of 1830 to 35 zone. We already discussed and mentioned that this zone is strong support zone, but due to selling pressure that arises from the news during last week, Fed hawkish tone, and yesterday's announcement by President Biden to nominate Chairman Jerome Powell to continue to be on Fed chair for the next 4 years. So these news also resulted in extreme dollar strength and a sharp rise in the yields of US debt instruments. So combination of dollar strength and higher yields were the primary force moving gold toward the lower price level, and gold selling pressure increased due to this, and gold extended its you can say selling level below the psychological barrier of 1800 and currently trading at 1790. So now from the price action behavior, all those support like 1800 and this becomes resistance now. We already discussed these level in previous prediction video also, and I also already mentioned these level in live session in Telegram channel also. So let's just look for those level again so that we can utilize those level in coming trading sessions and current session also. So from here, the level, this level, if you look over to this zone, currently gold is heading toward this support zone. So this support zone is at around 1784 to 1790 level, and from the live chart you can see that it is trying to break out this support zone. So and from the selling pressure, it is in, we can say from here that it might break out this zone easily, and if it is able to break out this zone, we can see a selling extension toward the level of 1761 also. But for the bulls, if gold is able to hold this level or this level with backup with volume, then we can see a pullback toward the, or you can say reversal of price toward the higher price zone also. But from the current price action scenario, I think gold is under huge selling pressure and might easily retest these level, the level of 1784 and the level of that I already mentioned here of 1761. So these are next level in selling side that gold might retest. But for bulls, currently I am not in side of for buying, because from these last trading session, these two trading session, we have seen a large selling pressure and we can expect further decline of the price. And those who have been following me in my recent prediction video, we already discussed the COT data, and from the managed money column for gold, we already discussed this, the OI data. And if you focus over here, the large OI, or you can say these are the long position of 30% in long position. So due to this selling pressure, gold slammed this data also. So those who have been holding the price and they who those expecting that price might go up, they now they have to close their position obviously, because currently it is trading at a much lower price than they were expecting to rise in the price. So these are the level that I mentioned here. You have to keep these level in mind, this level and this level in coming trading session. So this is the analysis for this session. We will discuss more in coming trading sessions. So thank you and good luck.